From the dash of blush that brightens your day to the perfect contour that defines a masterpiece, every stroke tells a story. But have you ever wondered what lies behind the bristles of your favorite beauty brushes? Beauty brushes have evolved from the basic tools of ancient civilizations, like the bone and ivory applicators used by the Egyptians, to the finely crafted animal hair brushes of the Renaissance. Industrial advancements in the 18th and 19th centuries made brushes more accessible and standardized. The 20th century's cosmetic boom, propelled by Hollywood, popularized synthetic fibers and diversified brush types for specific makeup applications.
The creation of a foundation brush begins with a single piece of metal, meticulously pressed and shaped. It's a delicate process, one that forms the elegant handle you'll come to hold.
Meanwhile, the crafting of a nail brush takes a different path. Here, individual pieces are expertly glued together, laying the groundwork for a sturdy, reliable handle.
In the hands of an experienced professional, the exact number of bristles needed is estimated. Gathered and combed, these synthetic fibers are prepared with precision for their role. Brought to life by a vibrating machine, the bristles are shaped into the perfect dome, ready to blend foundation seamlessly onto the skin. These bristles are then carefully added to their metal handle, the first step in forming a tool that will ensure a flawless makeup application. But only the best brushes pass the rigorous quality control, where every fiber is inspected to meet the highest of standards.
For the nail brush, bristles are anchored to what will become the brush head, pulled through meticulously to ensure even coverage for applying polish to the nails. A metal ball known as a pinning ball is placed strategically to ensure the bristles are secured in place. Once assembled, the brush heads enter an oven. This isn't for baking bread, but for securing bristles, a process that guarantees the nail brush can withstand the rigors of use. After baking, the head is united with its handle through a strong adhesive, creating a singular artistic instrument. Names and identities are then stamped onto the brush bodies, marking them ready to be part of your daily routine.
Back to the foundation brush, where glue is carefully inserted into the ferrule. It's not just about securing bristles, it's about crafting an experience. Any excess glue is meticulously scraped away, because precision is not just a goal, but a standard. More glue is then added, this time to bond the bristle-packed head to the handle, ensuring a unified and smooth tool.
Quality for nail brushes is not left to chance. Through a sequence of dipping in hot water and brushing, followed by cold water and a second brush through, each brush is tested for endurance. Then comes the final grooming. Handle cleaning and bristle pruning, a necessary primping before they meet your hands. And now to the final touch, packaging. Each brush, be it for foundation or nails, is encased, ready to embark on its journey to you. From raw materials to the gentle touch of beauty and care, each brush is a testament to craftsmanship and quality.